Have you ever wondered how giant dams are built? Building a massive dam is one of the most complex engineering projects in the world. Before construction begins, engineers spend months studying the land, river flow, and surrounding environment. Once the design is completed, huge excavators and bulldozers arrive to clear millions of tons of soil and rock. Heavy dump trucks continuously transport materials while workers prepare the site for the foundation. The foundation is one of the most important parts of the dam. Engineers use reinforced steel and strong concrete to ensure the structure can withstand enormous water pressure. Next, giant cranes, cement mixers, and pumps work day and night. Layer by layer, thousands of tons of concrete are poured to create the massive walls of the dam. Special tunnels and spillways are then constructed to safely control the flow of water. These systems help prevent flooding and protect nearby communities. As construction progresses, advanced hydroelectric turbines are installed inside the dam. These powerful machines convert the energy of flowing water into electricity. After years of hard work and careful planning, the reservoir begins to fill with water. The completed dam can provide electricity, irrigation, drinking water, and flood protection for millions of people. Today, giant dams are considered one of humanity's greatest engineering achievements, combining technology, strength, and innovation to support modern life.